Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change profile photo on Meta Business Suite. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your profile photo on Meta Business Suite, you need to first of all tap open your app. Once you open it, you need to get logged in into your account, and once you are logged in into your account, all you got to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top left hand side of the corner. So if you're not there, you can simply tap on edit page option as well. So here, if you tap it on, you can find profile pictures option. So simply tap on profile picture and tap on edit. Now, once you have done this, you need to allow access to your camera roll and select any of the profile picture you want to change your current profile picture with and hit the save button. Once this is done, you will be able to change profile photo on Meta Business Suite. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.